Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the way that she just came together.
Shawty get thrown off of my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off of that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Kiannamoracia and I make wig videos and wig tutorials just for girls who are getting interested in wigs and want to learn more. Today we have a lovely wig from Mega Look Hair. I think this is the first 30-inch wig that I've done on my entire channel, and it came with a whole bunch of goodies, so I'm excited to share it with y'all. This is actually going to be my birthday wig, so prepare for another little video whenever I do install it for my birthday. I'm gonna do like a little vlog type of thing, but here we have all the goodies they sent me, and there's the box saying it's 30 inches. You guys can see everything on it. Now this is a loose wave wig. I've only ever had one loose wave wig in my lifetime, and that other wig lasted me so long. I love loose waves because they're basically in between a water wave and a body wave, which means that you can use hot tools on them like a body wave wig, but you can also wet them to curl them up like a, regular curly wig, so you get the best of both worlds, and you can really just make this as versatile as you want. So I'm in love with the loose wave texture, and here we have the wig. The wig did come slightly pre-bleached, so I was so happy about that, because sometimes it is a very extreme hassle to bleach a long wig because you don't want to get the bleach on the actual hair. And here I'm just showing y'all the curls fresh out the box. Now my makeup looks different in this video twice because I did do the video on different days. The unboxing video was done like 2 weeks before the actual install. I washed it and everything for the actual install, and I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more because I installed it right before my birthday dinner. But here I'm just spraying the lace tint on there, and that is how we're gonna get started before we do the actual install. I haven't done a traditional install in a very long time because I've really been into the glueless wigs, but today I decided to just really take my time with this one. Luckily, this wig did not take a whole bunch of effort, and my installs are pretty simple. I don't know. So I just put the lace tint on, and then I cleaned my forehead with an alcohol wipe. You want to make sure you do that because if you have on a full face of makeup, or if your face is dirty, your glue might not stick how you want it to, or you might not get that extreme melt effect. And every product I use in this video will be linked in the description box. They're all from Amazon. This one is from Dola Hair. The other one is the Even Lace Tint. I have all of those linked in my storefront, which will be placed right below in like a little shopping cart thing. So here I'm just spreading that first layer of glue out. Now the reason why I use this glue, I don't have to wait for it to dry, and if I put it on if I pull the wig over while the glue is still wet, it doesn't affect my install. I really like that because sometimes you wait for the glue to dry too much with other companies and then it doesn't really stick well, or if you don't wait long enough, it gets like gummy. This glue, you can put the wig on it as soon as you apply it to your head, and it does not affect how your install turns out. Really happy about that. Now I haven't done a traditional install in a minute, so here I'm trying to make sure I don't get any hair stuck to my forehead and out of place, so I am just gonna pull that back with my fingers. I also used a brush and like a comb when I was done just to get those flyaways away from the front of my hairline because I want this install to look really clean. As I said, this was for my birthday dinner. I did my dinner a few days before my birthday, but I was going out literally in like an hour, and I wanted this install to be quick and efficient. I had to keep readjusting the sides because I wanted to make sure it wasn't too far back, because sometimes that can cause some ripples in the lace. And here I'm using some water just to brush the hair back and get it out of my face, because I feel like if I use hairspray it might end up a little bit sticky, and I don't want the hair to have too much product on it before I actually style it, because then it'll be harder to style. And as you can see, the glue isn't fully dry, so I just took that section and pulled it down some more to make sure that all of the hairline matched up and that I didn't have any ripples in my lace. And now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take a band. I put that band on for like, I would say 10 minutes because I really had to go, and my reservation was at 6:30. At the time I was filming this, it was like 5:45, I would say. So I definitely had to be out the house in less than 30 minutes. So here I'm just making sure everything is behind my ears before I go and I put that band on. Let the band sit for 10 minutes, and then after that we're gonna cut it off with an eyebrow razor. The reason I use an eyebrow razor is because it has those little jagged edges and it doesn't cut straight, so that way you can't see that exact line and it's not as obvious. After cutting the lace, the last step that I really had to do was just my edges. It took me a while to part these out. As I said, I haven't done a traditional install in a minute. We live and we learn, and I'm trying to get better at installing my wigs as well. So don't feel like the teacher can't, learn something new too. So here, I'm parting out my edges. I feel like it took me long because I didn't actually slick the rest of the hair back. I just kind of went in there and was parting. And then I sectioned that off. And the next thing that I did was I cut it with some scissors. And then I used my tiny little flat iron. It's like a little mini flat iron. It's perfect for curling edges. That is literally the only thing I use it for, like my natural hair edges and just wig edges. And I curled those upwards before like putting them down with some mousse.
When our tongues touch, have a play, boys take it much. Roll a Dutch, let me tell you, it turns me on. When 112 scene to you, what kind of feeling do it bring to you? I bump hard to you, stand being mean to you. I know the ice really clean to you. A true place, what I seen to you. And if you want it, we can do it in the black 500 with the top down. And overdrive when we ride, cause I'm hot now. You got me going, I don't think I wanna stop now. See, feeling like a criminal on lockdown. So let's get away to get away. You getting hot, baby, please don't run away. I got a grip on the beat, fall that away. Is your bus, you can't see me after 112.
At this point, it was less than 20 minutes to finish this install and then get out the door. So here I'm just hot combing the rest of the hair, really just showcasing those edges. I am going to be wearing my hair in a middle part today. It was so cute. I feel like it is just, I'm going to insert a picture on screen when I'm talking about the final results because you guys don't know how much people loved my hair. Everyone was like, oh my gosh, this wig is so cute. And all I did was wet the hair. That is one of the perks about having a loose wave wig. It kind of resembles crimps a little bit, like the texture of it, and you can blow it out just like a body wave. You can curl it, you could do wand curls, and you could just wet it up when you're really in a go. So you don't have to spend a lot of time styling this hair, but if you want to, you definitely can. It's a lot more versatile than any other curly textures. You see how gorgeous this hair looks in its most fluffed out version. It already looks pretty cute, but I wanted a wet look today, so I'm densing that with some water. Waved up immediately. Look at those gorgeous curls. Like I said, it's kind of like a crimp texture. And then after I did that, I just went in with some mousse and about, I would say like 3 pumps of oil. Yeah, I think so. That's what I went in with. Look how pretty that side looks. I am gonna get up to show y'all where this hair lands. It is 30 inches, so it's right at my waist. So cute. I'm 5'2" by the way, and that's it. Alright you guys, this is the final look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the way that she just came together. The loose wave is definitely pretty. It is so gorgeous. It looks like I crimped my hair a little bit. The wig is a full 30 inches all the way down. I am going to stand up so you guys can see where it ends on me. And this is from none other than the lovely Mega Look Hair. I absolutely love their wigs and I love the way that they construct their products. They always do the best job at making sure these wigs are top-notch quality and that they are very full and that the lace space is a lot. You guys see that my parting goes back very far and it just looked like a professional install. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and if you want to check out the link, it is going to be in the description box. Once again, this is their 13-inch. The wig is pre-bleached. I didn't have to bleach the wig. All I had to do was like pluck it a little bit more to my liking. and then, you know, just do the regular install. The hair holds an amazing curl. I am just gonna take some more mousse and put it towards the ends just to get those ends extra hydrated. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil to kind of seal that in and really make sure our whole install is perfect. So I'm gonna spray some oil on my hands and then just rub that all over the hair to get the desired look that I want. And as you can see here, we are all done on that side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I use like 3 pumps of oil because this wig is 30 inches and you want to make sure that you're getting the full, like, everything, because you can miss some spots, especially with a very long wig like this one. So I'm making sure to get the back as well. Don't forget the back. And then this is the final look. I am super duper excited to show you guys this wig, and if you want to shop, go ahead and check out my description box. Everything will be linked below. Thank you, Mega Look, for sending me this gorgeous unit. Let's just get another look. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.